You also want to get many real TikTok followers very quickly. All you have to do is continue watching this video. You'll find the link to this site in the first comment or in the description box. This site is the best to use for getting followers for free. There are several great packages available. The first is for getting 50 free TikTok followers after completing a few steps. The second is the 100 follower package, which is the most commonly used and works really well. The third is a giveaway, where the winner receives 500 followers, and the registration process is very simple. The last package is also a giveaway, where the winner gets 1,000 followers. You can register for these packages every day. We're going to try the first package now. Enter the required information: your username, your email, your country, then click Continue to Verification, then click Verify Account. Your account will be verified automatically. Then the last step will appear, which is collecting followers. It is very easy and simple. This page will appear. You have to complete 2 tasks to collect 50 followers. Read what you need to complete here. Each country has its own tasks. After clicking on it, click on Complete, then complete a task, such as this task is to complete a survey. Complete it until the end, then you will be returned to complete the second task. After that, complete the second task and what is required of it. After completing this final step, followers will start arriving to you.